Here at Matrix Auto Works, we take pride in repairing your vehicles done right the first time. We serve the greater Nashua area and surrounding towns. We like to go above and beyond. We offer loaner cars for our customers. We believe in full transparency of the repairs that are being done on your vehicle, so we'll always invite you to come into the service space while your vehicle is up on the lift to show you what's going on.
This is the best place I've ever been to. This is the best mechanic that I've ever had. He's very patient. He's very kind to other people. He's honest. They take pictures of what the problem is. One time I came over and I said that I needed one thing done, but he came back and said, "Are you sure?" He said, "The leaking is coming from up above though." And what they did was fix it at a low cost and set me on my way, and the car's been working great since, and I rely on him to take care of my vehicle.
When someone walks into Matrix Auto Works, they're going to see happy faces, kind faces, helpful faces. We love what we do. Y sí, hablamos español aquí. Estamos aquí a ayudarles con todo lo que necesitan con tus carros.